Yo, guys, welcome back. Welcome to another episode of our responsive web design. Today, we're going to learn CSS of Flexbox by building a photo gallery. What does the Flexbox mean? Flexbox. I didn't find its Chinese explanation. 弹性核布局 or display inline block, something like that. Flexbox helps you design your web page so that it looks good on any screen size. In this course, you will use Flexbox to build a responsive photo gallery web page. Flexbox to build a responsive photo gallery web page. Let's do this. Wow, so cute. Start coding. Begin with your standard HTML boilerplate. Add a doc type declaration. HTML. Yes. Element. Doc type declaration and HTML element had element and a body element Oh, forward slash and within where should I add meta? Meta chart set equals UDF8, and this is opening HTML tag with yeah, I guess it is it. It's it. No. Shit. HTML. I guess this is it. Yeah. Wait, but I remember last time you remember the last time? Oh, yeah, there really is a HTML. Or last time. Yeah, that's correct. You need to add HTML, but I remember one time I didn't. Really? Oh shit. Yeah, we really need to add HTML. And yeah, for JavaScript, you need to add, or other things, or real something, you need to add script. Then your head element, add a meta tag. The name set to viewport and the content set to width device width initial scale equals 1. Add a meta within your head. Yes, I remember. Meta UDF8 is things like that. Yeah. Meta chart set UTF-8. That's it. And we need to add meta name equals viewport and content set to with equals. What is it? That's, yeah, it's the first time I see it. Also add a meta tag. It's a chart set. Okay, within your head element, add a title element with the text set to photo gallery and a link. Rel. Wait, I didn't see it. Link, rel, and href. Oh, okay. Styles.css and on rel. I remember you. Oh shit, yeah, my friend, that's correct. Add an header element within the body element and assign a class of header to it. Inside the header, create each one with CSS Flexbox photo gallery as the text. We are to add the header body element within the body element. Header element, create each one. And inside the header, create each one with CSS Flexbox. Oh wow, that's cool. Wow, class equals. Yeah, it's not CSS. If you use CSS, you need to add some dot something. Yeah, but you see it can add class within the body. Add class within the body. Okay, okay. So you need to do what? Your header element should have a class with header as its body. Yeah, I didn't see any kind of change. No, didn't see it yet. Class with header as its value. As its value. A header element should have a class with a header. Should have a class as a header as its value. What happened? Your header element should have within the body and assign a class of header. Oh wow, it should also have a class. Wow, that's cool. Below your header element to create a new div element. Assign a class of gallery. It's so weird. My friend, I hate this weird things, because I don't know them yet. Oh, this div will act as a container for the gallery images. Okay, calm down, calm down. New div element assign class of gallery. I gallery 9. Wait, inside dot gallery. Image. Yeah, ALT or alternative or something. I remember there are self-closing or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. Create a new div. Okay, okay. It's so weird. Wait, what? Come after your. Come after your. Wait, my friend. What the? Your new div element is the header. What? This is the header. Indentation. You know, it's so annoying. Let's do it step by step. A div element in your body. Oh, so annoying. Huh. Ah, wait. Wow. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Oh, what happened? Next, give each image a source attribute. Yeah, you know, actually a lot of programmers love to use single quotes. I'm different. Ha! CDN. And, oh, far have I? That should work. Somehow. Normalize your box model by creating a asterisk selector and setting box sizing property to border box as the value. Border box as the value. You know, it's so crazy. Normalize your box model by creating a selector. Wait. What? Oh, nothing happened. Your images are too big. Create a dot gallery image selector. Oh, wow. To target them, do them all with 100% and 350 pixels. Wow, 350 pixels. That should be. Oh, that should be width, not height. That's cool. So they shrink as needed, but don't get too big. Also set the height property to 300 pixels to keep your images a uniform size. Also set the height property to 300 pixels to keep your images a uniform size. Remove the margin from your body element. Remove the margin from your body element. Set the font family to sans serif. Oh, it's a font family. Cool. We remove all the margins from your body language. Body language. Body language. What? Remove all the margin from your body language. Set the font family to sans serif. Margin equals what? So we'll make body. What? To sans serif. A color to sharp F5, F6, F7. What color it is? It's white. Wow. But a little darker white as its value. So cool. Oh, margin. How to remove those margins? Yeah, I remember margins first vertically, then horizontally. Huh. Align your diagonal text in the center. Make the text uppercase using the text transform property with uppercase as the value. Give it a padding of 332 pixels on all sides as a background to hex color and the text to another FFF sharp. Is this sharp? Yeah. Oh yes, I remember it's called sharp. To sharp FFF. What color is it? Forget that. Add a border bottom with 4 pixels solid. 4 pixels solid. FTB 347 as the value. Text align. Align your dot header text. What's after text align? I forgot. Oh. Dot header. Dot header selector and your dot should have a color. Oh, that's another kind. Wow, that's so cool. Wow. Header. That's called header. That's what it's called. FFF has color values at a border bottom. At a border bottom. At a border bottom. It's 4 pixels solid. Solid FDB 347. FDB 347 as the value. Sorry. The code does not pass. Hang in there. Your dot element selector should have a text align property set to the center of the value. Set to the center of the value. Set to the center of the as its value. As the value. As the value. Oh, come on. Come on, my friend. Come on. Text align. How to write those things? Oh, we'll choose the value called center. Text align to the center. Make the uppercase using text transform. Text transform to what? Uppercase. You know, it's like so weird to give it a padding of on all sides. Padding, not paddle, but padding, padding. Read after me, padding, padding. Ah, said the ha, ha. You know, padding. Make the text uppercase using the text transform property with uppercase as its value. Give a padding of 32 pixels on all sides. Set the background color CKGRUNB background COLR color. Is that called back? Yeah, I guess it's called background color, but he didn't say background color. He said background instead. Oh, CSS Flexbox photo gallery. Yeah, I believe if you develop too much, I believe there should be a perfect set of things inside this thing. Yeah, it's so crazy. Its value. Step 11. Flexbox is one-dimensional CSS layout that can control the way items are spaced out and aligned within a container. To use it, give an element a display property for flex. Any direct children of a flex container are called the flex items. Create a dot gallery selector and make it a flex container. You know, it's so goddamn crazy. One-dimensional CSS layout that can control the way items are spaced out and aligned within a container. That can align within a container. To use it, give an element a display property. What element? What element? One-dimensional CSS layout. Ways items are spaced out. Align with the container. So what really is Flexbox? We'll see very soon. Create a dot gallery selector and make it a flex. What is it called flex? It's good display of flex. Wow. Flex container. Wow. Any direct children of a flex container are called flex item. It seems to be a built-in function. Flexbox has the main and cross axis. 轴心是吗? I remember axis is called 轴心国. Yes, that really is called 轴心. Axis is really called axis. Yes, 轴心 in Chinese. The main axis is defined by the flex direction property, which has 4 possible values. Row, horizontal axis with flex items from left to right. Row reverse, horizontal axis with flex items from right to left. Column, that's vertical, you know, this is called a column, you know, or or 2 things, you know, it's from, yeah, it's like, I know the Chinese, don't know how to explain in English. 它是支撑的作用，柱子，就是柱子那种用。Vertical axis with flex items from top to bottom. column reverse the vertical axis with flex items from bottom to top. Note, the axis and directions will be different depending on the text direction. The values shown are for a left to right text direction. Try the different values to see how they affect the layout. When you are done, set an explicit flex direction of row on the gallery element. Oh. Of row on the gallery. Come on. The flex wrap property determines how your flex items behave if the flex container is too small. Setting it to wrap will allow the items to, wrap property determines how the flex items behave when the flex container is too small. Setting it to wrap will allow the items to wrap to the next row or column. Now wrap. No wrap default will prevent your items from wrapping and shrink them if needed. Make it so your flex items wrap to the next row when they run out of space. It's called, yeah. Don't let them come out of space. Run out of space. Oh, don't let them run out of space. Yeah, flex wrap. Flex wrap property determines how your flex items behave when the flex container is too small. Set a wrap. Setting it to wrap will allow the items to wrap to next row or column. Now, no wrap default will prevent your items from wrapping and shrinking them if needed. Setting it to wrap. Let's go. Let's set it. Wow, wrap, cool. 卷起来了。Wrap. Wrap yourself up. 整装待发。Justify content property determines how the items inside the flex container are positioned along the main axis, affecting their position and the space around them. Giving your gallery selector a justify content property with center as the value. Justify content property with center as its value. Justify 正规化，使格式正规化，正式化。Yeah, justify content property with center as its value. Okay. The align items property positions the flex content along the cross-axis. In this case, with your flex direction set to row, your cross-axis would be vertical. To vertically center your images, give your gallery a selector and align items property with center. Items align item property with center as its value. Give your dot gallery selector a padding property set to 20 pixel, 10 pixel to create some spaces around the container. To create some spaces around the container. Let's go. Let's do this. Dot gallery selector padding property. Padding property to 20 pixel, 10 pixel. Yeah, it's like bullshit. So that should work. No. Give your gallery a padding selector set to this to create vertically and horizontally create some space around the container. Then give it a max width of 1400 1400 pixel and add a margin of 0 auto to scenery. Yeah, that's so cool. This thing is really so cool. Notice how some of your images are become distorted. What does it mean? Distorted. Distorted. Distort. 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 Distorted. Oh, this is because the images have different aspect radius. Rather than setting each aspect ratio individually, you can use the object fit property to determine how images should behave. Give your dot gallery image selector to object fit property and set it to cover. This will tell the image to fill the image container while maintaining aspect ratio resulting in cropping to fit. Well, it's so goddamn hard, right? Give your obj city object fit property and set to cover. Wait, what did he say? What? It's like what? It's so crazy, Set it to cover. Object fit to cover. Set it. What if I just Oh wow, that's so cool. Wow. Man. Wow. Good. That's cool. What if I Wow, this is so cool, it seems HTML has a lot of built-in methods. Your image needs some space between them. The gap CSS shorthand property sets the gaps, also known as the gutters between row and columns. The gap property and the row gap and column gap subproperties provide this functionality for flex, grid, and multi-column layout. You can apply the property to the container element. Give your .gallery flex container gap property with 16 pixel as the value. 16 pixel as its value. Give your .gallery flex container gap property is 14 pixel as the value. A gap property is 16 pixel. Oh, gap! I love gap. Let's smooth out your images a bit by giving the .gallery image selector a border radius property with 10 pixels set as the value. Smooth out your images. a border radius power is 10 pixels. Set as the value. Border radius. Yeah, you know, I guess it's really highly related with art. Oh wow, look at those cute, you know, what is that called? Border. You know, it's rounded. That's so cool. What? The double colon after pseudo element creates an element that is a last child of the selected element. You can use it to add an empty element after the last image. If you give it the same width as the images, it will push the last image to the left when the gallery is in a two-column layout. Right now, it is in the center because you set justify content center on the flex container. Example, content width, create a new selector using a double colon pseudo element on the gallery element. Add a content property set to an empty string. This and that is set for the width property. New selector using this on the gallery and pseudo element. Oh wow! Wow! Cool, that's pseudo element. Add a content property, empty string, and 355 50 pixel for this property. Well, after alternative, yeah, alt image. We learned that actually for the first time trying to code HTML. Yeah, the first project. Still remember that cute little yellow cat. The alternative image attribute should describe the image content. The screen readers announce the alternative text in place of images if the image can be loaded. This text is presented in space of the image. To complete the project, add an alt attribute to all 9 of your cat images to describe them. Use a value at least 5 characters long for each. Oh, it's so crazy. Ah, so crazy. Not for each. Describe them with what? Use a value at least 5 characters. Let's do this. Ah, my friend. Oh wait, I'm so, you know. Ow, 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 yo, let's do this. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That should work. Congratulations. So that's all for today's video. Leave a like, subscribe. See you in the next episode. Your subscription really helps. Really helps me. Yeah, even though I know actually most of my videos are not watched. Yeah, I'm still a rookie now. Still learning. Goodbye. See you.